Dear learners, welcome to today's session. Our discussion will focus on educational technology, its meaning, definitions, objectives, types, and need. Dear all, please watch the entire video and note key points. MCQs based on the presentation will follow, so ensure you view it fully. Let us first understand the meaning of educational technology. Educational technology refers to the systematic application of scientific principles and technological advancements to enhance the teaching learning process. It encompasses the development, use, and management of various technological resources and methodologies to improve educational outcomes. The concept of educational technology is not limited to digital tools but also includes instructional design, pedagogical strategies, and innovative teaching learning models. It aims to make education more efficient, accessible, and engaging for learners by integrating technology driven solutions. The integration of advanced technologies, including AI, virtual reality, gamification, and adaptive learning, is transforming traditional education into a more flexible and inclusive system. Definitions of educational technology. Several scholars and organizations have defined educational technology in different ways. National Council of Educational Technology, NCET, UK. Educational technology is the development, application, and evaluation of systems, techniques, and aids to improve the process of human learning. Robert A. Ressa, 2001, educational technology is the study and ethical practice of facilitating learning and improving performance by creating, using, and managing appropriate technological processes and resources. Association for Educational Communications and Technology, AECT, 2008. Educational technology is the discipline concerned with the study and ethical practice of facilitating learning and improving performance through the creation, use, and management of technological processes and resources. Geo M. Lath, 1967. Educational technology refers to the systematic way of designing, carrying out, and evaluating the total process of teaching and learning in terms of specific objectives based on research in human learning and communication. Now let us understand objectives of educational technology. The primary objectives of educational technology are 1. Enhancing teaching learning process, making learning more interactive, engaging, and effective through the use of modern tools and techniques. 2. Improving learning outcomes, facilitating better retention, comprehension, and application of knowledge by using advanced methodologies. 3. Developing innovative teaching methods, encouraging the use of multimedia, virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and other modern tools to create innovative instructional strategies. 4. Ensuring accessibility and inclusivity, bridging the digital divide and making education available to all, including students from remote or disadvantaged backgrounds. 5. Facilitating personalized learning, catering to individual learning needs and styles through adaptive learning technologies. 6. Promoting lifelong learning, encouraging continuous professional and personal development through online courses and digital learning platforms. 7. Supporting teachers and educators, providing tools for lesson planning, assessment, and classroom management to enhance instructional effectiveness. 8. Fostering collaborative learning, encouraging interaction among students and teachers through online discussion forums, virtual classrooms, and learning communities. What are various types of educational technology? Educational technology can be categorized into various types based on its application and scope. A. Based on mode of delivery. 1. Synchronous educational technology, real-time teaching and learning through video conferencing, live streaming, and virtual classrooms. 2. Asynchronous educational technology, learning at one's own pace through recorded lectures, e-books, discussion forums, and self-paced online courses. B. Based on the nature of technology used. 1. Hardware-based educational technology, use of physical devices such as projectors, interactive whiteboards, tablets, VR headsets, and smart classrooms. 2. Software-based educational technology, application of learning management systems, LMS, online learning platforms, educational apps, and artificial intelligence in education. C. Based on pedagogical approach. 1. Instructional technology, focuses on designing and delivering instructional materials using technology to achieve specific learning goals. 2. Adaptive learning technology, uses AI and machine learning to personalize learning experiences based on student progress. 3. Collaborative learning technology, enables group discussions, teamwork, and knowledge sharing through platforms like Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, and Moodle. 4. Game-based learning, gamification incorporates gaming elements into education to make learning fun and interactive. 5. Virtual and augmented reality, VR AR, in education, enhances learning experiences by creating immersive environments for simulations and practical demonstrations. Need for educational technology. The increasing demand for technological integration in education arises from several key factors. 1. Changing learning needs. With a rapidly evolving world, traditional teaching methods alone are insufficient to meet modern learning demands. 2. Improve teaching methods. Educational technology provides innovative and flexible teaching approaches that enhance the learning experience. 3. Access to quality education. E-learning platforms break geographical barriers and provide quality education to learners in remote areas. 4. Bridging the digital divide. Encouraging digital literacy and technology-enabled education can help reduce educational disparities. 5. Catering to diverse learning styles. Technology facilitates personalized learning experiences tailored to the individual needs of students. 6. Enhancing student engagement. Interactive content, multimedia, and gamified learning make education more engaging and motivating for students. 7. Assessment and feedback. Digital tools allow real-time assessments, instant feedback, and data-driven insights into student performance. 8. Cost-effective learning. Online resources reduce the dependence on physical materials, making education more affordable and scalable. 9. Global collaboration. Technology enables students and teachers to connect, collaborate, and exchange knowledge across the globe. 10. Future readiness. Preparing students for the digital economy by equipping them with essential skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and digital literacy. Dear viewers, let's solve some important multiple choice questions based on the presentation. 1. What is the primary aim of educational technology? A. To replace traditional teaching methods. B. To make education more efficient, accessible, and engaging. C. To eliminate the role of teachers in classrooms. D. To focus only on digital learning. Answer. B. To make education more efficient, accessible, and engaging. 2. Which of the following is not a type of educational technology? A. Instructional technology. B. Game-based learning. C. Agricultural technology. D. Adaptive learning technology. Answer C. Agricultural technology. 3. Which of the following is a hardware-based educational technology? A. Learning Management Systems LMS. B. Interactive whiteboards. C. Online learning platforms. D. Artificial intelligence AI. Answer B. Interactive whiteboards. 4. Which type of educational technology allows learning at one's own pace? A. Synchronous technology. B. Asynchronous technology. C. Instructional technology. D. Collaborative learning technology. Answer B. Asynchronous technology. 5. What is the primary objective of educational technology? A. To make teachers obsolete. B. To develop innovative teaching methods. C. To focus only on technical skills. D. To replace textbooks completely. Answer B. To develop innovative teaching methods. 6. Which of these is a collaborative learning technology? A. Google Classroom. B. Chalkboard. C. Pen and paper. D. Printed books. Answer A. Google Classroom. 7. The need for educational technology arises due to A. The requirement for outdated teaching methods. B. The desire to eliminate teachers. C. The need for accessible and quality education. D. The reduction of student engagement. Answer C. The need for accessible and quality education. 8. Game-based learning, gamification, helps in A. Making learning interactive and engaging. B. Reducing student participation. C. Eliminating assessments. D. Encouraging passive learning. Answer A. Making learning interactive and engaging. Thank you, don't miss out. Subscribe now to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, for insightful content and valuable resources.